off to do a shoot with Murf Man. He has a bag G, so we'll do a shoot of that. He's got chrome Meisters on one side, and I think it's white faces on the other side, but he just got this new set of chromed out faces on. I'll be doing 2 spots. So first spot, it's going to be Park KC sign. I've shot here a few times, but it's always a good simple spot, and it's really good for his car. I think it'll be perfect. And then I have a nighttime spot that I haven't shot at in a while, so I'm going to get some photos of him there. I'm filming through the GoPro because I'm going to be using it for the POV, so it's just easier, and I don't have my big camera set up. Pulled up to the spot, and look who's here. I'm going to get some shots of the McLaren, I guess, real quick, and then there's Murf Man pulling in. Alright, perfect time, and he was just chilling here, so let's get a couple shots. I actually was supposed to shoot content for this car today, but was gonna do this shoot, so wasn't able to, but now worked out perfect. You won't be in the shot.
Basically, that when he sits in, it's not, you're not just sitting there. And I think he's also excited for Texas GP as well. So yeah, he's gonna get it. Yeah. He broke the world record. I imagine. I think right now this one runs high speeds right now. Like, this
really?
Runs high speeds right now. Yeah.
Is it still spinning? What? Yeah, this thing's absurd. Yeah. That's ridiculous. That's absurd.
Right, that's what I said. Someone get a 765 Spider.
Got him all lined up now. Yeah, he just got this set of chromes. Chrome never fails. That's the... Give me enough room so I can shot there. Nice tight shot. Who did the chrome then?
Devil's Works.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where are they at? Oh, okay, so you just ship them out. Oh, yeah. A good side shot here. This is probably the best one yet. The lighting. flip around real quick. That's perfect. Got them all lined up. I'm gonna see if he has, we can turn off the tails, or turn on the tails. Perfect, yep.
I think this next year is gonna be good. On a split personality.
CPL just won't be able to get rid of this very well, but I can do that. I can fix that in post. We're off to the next location. We'll pull up pretty soon. We're not too far. He's following behind me, so. Yes, sir. That's perfect right there. Yeah, just air it out. Are you able to turn them to just DRL on the headlights? That'd be perfect. Oh. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. I didn't know that's why you had 2 accounts. I always wondered what the other one was for. The white faces also look super good.